A logo change. Even though the change seems to be from the outside, it starts on the inside. This is the transformation story of not just a brand, but a whole culture. Our new visual world is merely a design. It's a vision that redefines the way we think, the way we act. Talking about change is easy, but here we all went through change. We have been together in every question, laughter, and note. We have heard hundreds of sentences that started with, "For me, this change means..."
We each have a voice and they are all in harmony.
We are not just doing business together anymore. We are covering ground together.
We are empowered and shaping the future of Korozo.
A change that considers us. Proud to be part of this.
Each of them guided us. You cannot change a brand without understanding the people first. Our customers are not just people we serve. They are our fellow travelers who we design the future with. This story is not finished yet. It's rather a beginning that grows with every contribution and idea of yours for a more green, digital, and sensitive Korozo. Today we took another step in this journey. Tomorrow we will grow stronger with you for our sustainable future. We are ready if you are. Thank you.